So every single year at this time, thousands of music lovers make the trek to St. Ann for the greatest reggae show on earth. That's what they say. Rebel Salute. It delivers the largest showcase of roots, reggae, and cultural-themed dancehall. So it started yesterday, Friday, with Toots and the Maytals, Sanchez, and many more. And it's going to continue tonight with Richie Spice, Chronic Law, Queen Ifrica, and me here's a Martin Madede too, just to name a few. So, are you going down?
I don't think so.
Can't manage this year.
Too much things happen.
Tired?
Yeah, and I really don't miss it, you know. I don't miss it because my favorite part of Rebel Salute, Herb Curve.
Oh!
Yeah, I just love it. I love
That's
being
what
on
you
there.
like, the Herb Curve?
Yeah, but I think for an event, it's 27 years now.
Yeah, 27 years.
Just about when I was born, so it says a lot for music and for this event to keep going on year after year after year.
And it's a celebration of Tony Rebel's birthday, and then it just morphed into this huge festival that brings people from all over the world. Of course, if you're a reggae fan and you have your favorite, you'll know which night to go, or you can go both nights. But it is wonderfully enjoyable, and I'm sure you'll be there partying until morning.
Oh yes.
Tomorrow. So be safe on the gravel, make your way to Grizzlies and enjoy that. Yep. It's gonna be great.
Priority, a priority.
Yeah, you've been listening to the ad.
Yeah. All right, so track superstar Mrs. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and long jumper TVJ Gale copped the prestigious RJR Gleaner Group Sports Foundation Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year awards last night. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is the first woman to win 100 meters at the World Championship. Well, she won 4 at the World Championship. And TVJ Gale had an earth-shattering gold medal performance at the IWF World Championships in Doha with the longest jump in the world in the past 10 years. So it goes without saying. Beautiful performances from these athletes. Shelly-Ann continues to rise to the top, you know, creme de la creme. And it's great to see TVJ getting his first award after winning gold in Doha. And he said something in his speech last night. A little boy from Augustown, world champion, and now Sportsman of the Year. Greatness can come from anywhere.
Amen. Tell you that all the time. All the time can come from anywhere.
So congratulations to all who walked away with awards, all the nominees, and I'm looking forward to another fantastic year. It's 2020. It's the Olympics. It's gonna be big.
Yeah, you ready?
Move it. Move it.
It's gonna be a movie here. Move it. It's so silly. All right, what's up next? There is one more. The details of a total of $1.5 million spent over a 6-day period by an accused in the Manchester Municipal Corporation multi-million-dollar fraud trial were among the startling revelations made by the prosecution yesterday as it sought to establish a link between expenditure and alleged illegitimate earnings. Yes, my love. Prosecutors said that Sandra Elliott, formerly Deputy Superintendent of Roads and Works Corporation, made credit card purchases of luxury brands including Prada, Louis Vuitton, Lacoste, Guess, Foot Locker, Armani, Pair Ellis, and Tim's while on vacation overseas. So we're starting to clamp down on fraud. We're starting to clamp down on and within the government too. We're starting to clamp down all over the place on all of these things. So at this point, what I would like to ask is when this happen, right? We'll get back the money?
No, I want to go to the state.
No. I mean, like, it done spend already. You understand? What I'm asking? Yeah. The money spent already. It done spend. So them take him or whoever the person is that might have done whatever. Them take person. No, them lock up the person. See, yeah. What you said, they seize their assets to be able to pay back the money. Okay.
The net worth.
And then suppose the person don't have the assets anymore. Suppose they give all of them Prada and Louis Vuitton because they're not going to sell back for the same price. You know?
Yeah, but not just that, you know, because you have investments on the stock market, luxury cars.
Right. So I guess you can use those.
Yeah, those are tangible stuff.
Okay. So I just wanted to make sure that there was some kind of way to get back the money.
But just imagine this. You have a $225 million net worth and you earn 15 million. Under 15 million between 2008 and 2016.
So can you imagine?
Yo.
Where all of that the money they come from? Boom,
Balling.
boom, boom. What have you been doing? Boy, I mean, I know them people are brave. Come, I can't thief them with it.
I know that. Me no want to go to prison.
But them brave man. Of course, I thought you'd want to go visit your friend.
Eh? I visit him already. No, I'm visit him already. You know, say Christmas gone with you.
Ah, that's it for the
We have
trending
picture day.
topics.
Stand beside the teacher, take picture.
We'll be right back, guys.